Jasmy coin could easily 25x in this bull market, in my opinion. And recently, they just got the green light to have perpetuals trading on Coinbase. I want to talk about some predictions for Jasmy that you can find on the internet, whether these are good predictions or bad predictions, too bearish or too bullish, and a realistic price prediction for Jasmy, which again, I think we could see this coin 25x. Now, could it do more than that? Absolutely, but in crypto, it is good to practice taking profits along the way. We don't even need a 25x. You catch a 2x or a 10x, that is incredible. Gains that people dream of getting in the traditional market. If you get in the traditional market, you could essentially consider yourself lucky, especially in the time frame that you can make these kind of gains in crypto. So in this video, I want to talk about some key targets for Jasmy, what I'm looking at, some of these predictions, and talk about this Coinbase story in this video. Guys, welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's talk a little bit about Jasmy. Now, today, we are looking at Bitcoin, which is currently sitting at $60,000. After a brutal move to the downside to 49K, Bitcoin had a spectacular rebound. And you know what? If you look at Jasmy crypto and the altcoin market alongside Bitcoin, here's Bitcoin bouncing off the bottom of the support. Altcoin market also bouncing off of its support. Jasmy, I had a target down at, 1.9 cents. It had a beautiful bounce, but right now it's trickling back down. Why is that happening? Well, it's simple, guys. Bitcoin is also trickling back down right now. I'm going to come back to the price action on Jasmy and my targets for the short term on this coin and that 25x. But first, let me get into some of these stories. So Jasmy right now, just so you guys know, is a top crypto in the overall market. This coin is currently ranked number 62. At one point was much higher. They've got executives that used to be at Sony now on their team, and it's all about the Internet of Things and owning your own identity through cryptocurrency is what the Jasmy protocol is about. I've done other videos explaining exactly what it's about, but I want to talk about some price targets today because in a crypto bull market, you have trillions of dollars that flow into this space. And if we look over at the total market cap for crypto, at one point, this crypto market in all was at $3 trillion. People are predicting that we could see a 10 or possibly $20 trillion market cap in this upcoming bull cycle, which means billions and trillions of dollars are going to come along. Now, do you think that Jasmy is going to go to a $1 trillion market cap in the cycle? No, that is not what I think. I am not predicting that. I don't think that's something that's reasonable to expect out of this coin in this particular bull market. We need reasonable predictions along the way. So let's look at some that we're seeing on the internet and see exactly what the thoughts are on the internet. So I found this article that I just want to share with you from ccn.com, some crypto publication, and they go through, a little bit about Jasmy and what it's about. And then here's like some price predictions. Well, is 5 cents by 2025 possible? I think easily possible. The maximum price prediction they have for Jasmy is 6.1 cents, which for the record is only about a 6x from here. I think that's relatively weak. Actually, that's not even a 6x. That's a 3x from here. I think that's weak. And even by 2030, they're predicting a 19-cent price prediction. Now, in a bear market, could we come back down to these levels? Absolutely. But what I like to look for is, peak targets or targets along the way to the upside, reasonable targets. Now, what would be a reasonable target for this coin? Well, here's an interesting story for you guys. First of all, they got 119K followers on Twitter, which is a pretty big audience, and it is a large community token. I know that a lot of people really like the Jasmy coin in cryptocurrency. It's one that a lot of people keep their eye on, and I do think that a lot of people like to leverage trade Jasmy. And now it's getting a lot more exposure as Coinbase Trader's Twitter account is talking about how on Coinbase Advanced, they are going to offer upcoming perpetual future listings. Boom, you're going to see Jasmy along with two meme coins as well. I think this is a BRC20 meme, and then this one is a Solana meme, I believe, MEW. But Jasmy is getting a listing on Coinbase. Traders on, they're getting a perpetual protocol, essentially, in place with Coinbase, which could be very huge, bring more volatility to this, and obviously more liquidity, more buyers potentially. Now, in this upcoming bull market, where could we see this target go? Well, I'm just going to look at this really quickly. And if you guys have been watching my channel at all, you know how I feel about Litecoin. I don't love Litecoin because the founder of it is thumbs down. I don't like him. He really had flopped early on in the 2016, 2017, 2018 timeframe. And it turned out to be a, really not a great actor in the space. And Litecoin is just kind of hanging out, and it still gets pumps for some reason. Now, at one point, the market cap for Litecoin at its all-time highs was $25 billion. And I think that that is a reasonable target for Jasmy Coin to get because they've got actual Sony executives, not bad actors to my knowledge, people that are developing from Sony in this crypto space now, a large community, and just overall in a crypto bull market, in the top 100 cryptos, when we see trillions of dollars flow into this space, you could easily see billions of dollars flow into a lot of these tokens. There are so many coins like, for example, Dogecoin almost got to a $100 billion market cap. How could something like that do that? I'm saying Jasmy Coin, which is all about protecting your identity, taking your identity back into your own hands, on the blockchain. This thing could easily, in my opinion, get a $25 billion market cap. If Litecoin could do it, that has a terrible leader and really no true utility, people aren't really building on Litecoin or building any actual products that people want to use on Litecoin can do it, I think that Jasmy could easily do it. Now, some people want to talk about a $5 Jasmy, and I've talked about that in the past as well, and it could happen. Why could that happen? Because if you look at the Jasmy price just in the past, this coin at one point was, yes, above 50 cents. Here's a peak at 30 cents, and then here is its all-time high at $5.12. I'm not even saying in this video that this coin is going to go to $5. I'm just saying, well, it could go to 50 cents, which would just be breaking through this, and honestly, it could go much, much higher, but you can see there was a little bit of a level where there was some resistance and some support over here back in the beginning, and I think that's a reasonable target. And a 25x would be incredible. Heck, if you get halfway to a 25x, you should be taking profit along the way. If you get a 3x, you should be taking profit along the way in crypto. There are going to be so many opportunities to make money in the crypto market once we do see this total market cap break out past previous all-time highs through 3 trillion, go to 10 trillion. You could see easily, another 7 trillion, maybe even $17 trillion flow into this space because we see institutions getting into crypto more so than we've ever seen. We see countries getting into crypto. Russia just legalized Bitcoin and crypto mining again. It's inevitable. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Now, is Jasmy going to be the coin of the future? And they're going to be the leader in identity and owning your identity on the blockchain? Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But from a speculation standpoint, I think it's reasonable for it to achieve the previous all-time high that Litecoin had, have a 25x, and I think there's going to be tremendous gains along the way for this coin, but we do need to see Bitcoin break out. So right now, if we see Bitcoin tap down to the $51,000 level again, which I don't expect to see happen, I really don't, it could happen though, then we could see Jasmy come down just like Bitcoin, and it's going down right now, right? Bitcoin's trickling down, so is Jasmy Coin. However, if Bitcoin can move up to the top of this trend line at like $70,000 and then inevitably break new all-time highs, I think we could easily see Jasmy Coin in the very short term go to 5 cents, which again, back to some of these targets, you look at this internet predictions of 6 cents by 2025. Yeah, I think that's easy. That could happen in 2024 easily. That could happen in less than a month if Bitcoin breaks to new all-time highs. The 25x, I think it's reasonable. Do you? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. My first target, again, is about 5 cents for Jasmy, but I'd be then looking at the 30-cent level before we did reach this 50-cent level in the future. And who knows, maybe $5 is possible, but I don't want to put the cart before the horse. This is a previous all-time high. We do see a lot of cryptocurrencies in this space when the altcoin market goes parabolic, break its previous all-time highs, but it's too early to tell. So let's stay a little more conservative, and 25x isn't even that conservative, but I do think that it is in my mind. I've known the crypto markets. I've been in these markets since 2016, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing what comes in this next bull market. What are your targets for Jasmy Coin? Let me know in the comments down below. That is all I have for you guys in this one. I'm CryptoKip. This is the Crypto Report. If you guys want to trade Jasmy Coin on your own, you can sign up for Blowfin, a non-KYC required exchange where if you deposit $2,000, you get $300 to trade in futures trading for free. A deposit bonus for you guys there. I pinned it in the comment section for you. It's in the description of this video. Blowfin, a new and upcoming exchange that I'm pretty excited about. Anyway, that's all I have, guys. Don't forget to DCA, HODL, and of course, do your own research, my friends. I will see you in the next one. Throw a comment down below if you have some thoughts on Jasmy. Until next time, 2 videos right here. Peace, y'all.